Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn how to make money with crochet, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet very fast and easy crochet stitch to make scarves and shawls adorable. Let's start it. First, we need your selected yarn. I will use Alize Burkham Classic. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, yarn needle, scissors and measuring tape. First make a slip knot, then chain multiples of 8 plus 1. Skip 4 chains from the hook. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochet stitches all in the same stitch together. Then skip 3 chains. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet stitch, then chain 5, then skip 3 chains. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochet stitches together. Repeat this to finish the first row. One single crochet stitch in the last chain to finish the first row. To make the row number 2, chain 4, turn your work, then make 3 double crochet stitches in the first single crochet stitch. Then 1 single crochet stitch in the next chain space, then chain 5, then make 3 double crochet stitches in the next single crochet stitch together. One single crochet in the next chain space. Repeat this to finish the second row. Make one single crochet in the last chain space to finish the second row. To make next rows, repeat the second row as your selected length. The last row to make a straight edge. Work as normal. Chain 4 3 double crochet stitches together, 1 single crochet in the next chain space, but instead of 5 chains, make only 3 chains like this. Chain 3 only, then crochet as you work. Repeat this to finish the last row. Finish your work, fasten off and weave in ends, cut the yarn, then make fringe. Make fringe by taking 4 yarn strands together like this. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me big thumbs up. To see more, see you. Bye bye.